Hi folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at 2017 Ram 1500 Limited. Stock number on this one is 28403AT. It is a red in color. Seems to have really good treadlets on the tires. Turn signals here in your mirrors. This vehicle does come equipped with a dealer warranty. All power windows, doors, and seats. You also have a seat setting. 2 cup holders there in the door. It's a nice little design on it. Black leather seats. Storage air. Storage air. 2 cup holders for your phone. You got your 12-volt trailer brakes. Got heated and cooled seats. 4-wheel drive options. Touch screen radio here. This unit does have a sunroof in it. Hands-free for your cruise control, your calling, your options for up here, so you can go through the dash settings. You have controls on the back as well for your volume and your radio. It's a really nice truck. Nice limited floor mats, little coolers under the floor on both sides. You got heated back seats, 2 cup holders here as well. Here's a little storage in the back. Thing's nice. Got your backup camera there, your hitch, everything for your hookups. Really good shape. Again, folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Looking at 2017 Ram 1500 Limited. Stock number again is 28403AT. You can visit us online at www.sherrychrysler.com or give us a call 937-778-0830.